Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to do 2012 sample paper question 8. Of course this is not an actual DSE question, it's just a sample paper question from paper 1 and paper 2, sorry, it's MC question. So let's get started. It's more about polynomials, functions and graphs. So whatever you can think of, let's get started. So in this figure you can see a graph of y equals to the function of x. In other words, this parabola, this line, this happy face is the function you got fx. And then there is a straight line L, here L, which intersects at point A and point B. Okay, there is point A here and a point B here. So let's do that point A and point B first. What does that mean? 1 and k. So that this one is x coordinate, this one is y coordinate, x and y, right? So we also write that. So this one is 1 and k, this one is 7 and k, yeah? So in other words, here it's 1 and here it's 7, the x value. And this L line is actually k, the whole thing is y equals to k because everywhere the y value is k. So you write k here as well. This point is k. Okay, this is just the background information. So let's see what does the solutions ask for. First, the solution of the inequality fx, the function when it is greater than k, is the answer x less than 1 and x larger than 7. Remember, fx is actually y, so it's asking you if the y is larger than k. Okay, this is the y line, right? So if the y is larger than the k, so everything above this k point, what will be your answer? Let's draw first. If this is your point, then the figure when it is above k, it's here. Yeah, we have to find the answers from this parabola. And everywhere when the y is above k, here these points, these are more than k, the y value, okay? So that's why these highlight parts are called fx larger than k. So for this blue part, what is the value of x at this exact point when k was here? The x value was 1. How about if we move a little bit over, let's say this pinpoint, then what is the x value? Can you see something here? It's less than 1 already. No matter where we go, let's say even it's here, it's still less than 1. It's still less than 1 no matter where we go. So that's why that is actually correct. X is less than 1. How about the other side? This exact point is k, and if you want larger than k, then it's above here. So here as well, if we put, let's say this one is that was larger than k, and if it's moved here and this one coming here, this one coming here, these points, the x values are all larger than 7. So that's why the first one is actually correct. It's either less than 1 or larger than 7. Yeah. How about the second thing? We can put a small tick here so that we know the first choice is correct. In other words, C is for sure wrong. And then the second one, the roots of the equation fx equals to k is 7 and 8. Is it true or not? So this time they are asking you when the y or fx is exactly as k point. So this point, what are the solution of x? It's easy, right? Because roots means the solution of x. So here at this exact point, the x value is 1. See, it's from here, and the other side, it's also here, k at the exact k point, it's 7. So 1 and 7. So this is also correct. And the last one, the equation of axis of symmetry. What is axis of symmetry? Do you know it? Well, it just means the middle point of the equation. So how do we find that? Well, if you have the full equation, then you can use negative b over 2a, but then now we don't have the equation. What we can do is just find the middle point. This is 1, this is 7, and the middle one is, actually you can do it. 1 plus 7 divided by 2, which is 4. It's not 3. 3 will be wrong because between 1 and 7 it is actually 4. See, this is 2, this is 3, and then 4 middle, 5, and then 6, and then we have a 7. So in the middle it is a 4. Okay, so this question was relatively easy. Hope you understand it. If you still don't, you can ask on Instagram. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.